Hey Dudes and Foxy Dudettes, today I got my hands on something pretty special. The new Forte Series Hair Dryer. And not only that, I'm going to do an unboxing and we might get some opinions on how this hair dryer works. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name's Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we cover a whole bunch of topics trying to elevate you to that well-rounded status. Today is no different. We're going to be going over the Forte Series Hair Dryer. So without further ado, let's begin unboxing. So first and foremost, I like the packaging. White and black, I mean, it's been their thing pretty much from the get-go. They've gone with a black and white aesthetic, and I think that's pretty cool. You can see here you've got the box, and then on the side, on the corner, just like the hair products, you got it. It says Forte. It's pretty cool. I do like it. Inside the box, you're gonna get the hair dryer, you're gonna get the concentrator nozzle, and the diffuser nozzle. I know that's something that's becoming kind of weird, that sometimes you have to buy the nozzles separately. In my opinion, when you buy a hair dryer, especially when you're spending a lot of money on a hair dryer, you should include all the different nozzles. It also says in the back here that there's overheating protection, reduces hair frizz, it's foldable and lightweight, and your hairstyle locking cool shot, which is very important. I think that's something that a lot of guys miss. And not just guys, to be honest. Foxy Dudettes miss it too when they're buying a hair dryer. I've said it before, a hair dryer is something you guys want to spend your money on. That's something you're going to want to invest in. You don't want to just go to like Walmart or your drugstore and spend like $20 to $50 and get some kind of random hair dryer, because that will mess your hair up. You want to spend a little bit of money, but the good thing about this is it's upside down, because I had to read the box. It's weird, just the way it is. But anyway, that's the good thing about this, is that this is not very expensive. I mean, it's about $74, $75, something like that. And by the way, a huge thank you to Forte for sending this out for me to review. I really appreciate it. But yeah, you guys really are not going to spend a ton of money on this, and that's a good thing. I've noticed that there's a lot of good companies coming out with hair dryers at a reasonable price. The shape of this is inspired by the Dyson, I forget what it's called. I'll have it on the screen. But the Dyson, it's like a $400, $500, depending on how many accessories you get, hair dryer. It's a great hair dryer from what I've heard, but that's a lot of money. So a lot of companies have been coming out with the same quality, and I'm sure Forte will do that. Alex Costa, this is his brand, in case you don't know. He provides a great hair line with Forte, and hair is very important to him, as you can, if you've seen pictures of Alex, we'll post one up here. Hair is very important, so quality is important. So I'm sure it'll be here too. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into the box, right? So this is what you get on the inside. That's what it looks like. Let's see what we got here. This attachment, the concentrator, diffuser. I always get the two of them mixed up. One of them is this. It feels sturdy. I like it. The concentrator. And what I like about it, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a wide concentrator or diffuser, whichever one it's called. It means a lot of airflow can go through. I like that. And here we go with the hair dryer. Let's get this bag off of you. You're not being held hostage. Okay. It's small. It's very cool. I like how the handle see if I can show you guys from this way. I like how the handle folds up so you can store it easily. I like the shape. I should show it to you this way. See, it says Forte. Forte Series Hair Dryer. It's in the shape of the Dyson, what I was talking to you about a few minutes ago. That's become a very popular shape. But what's cool is the vent looks like it's going from the back, which is awesome. I know the Dyson is at the bottom, and some people had issues holding on to it and covering up the air vents. So it's a great design. I like it. It looks like, okay, we got the settings right here. Okay, you got your cool, your medium or low, and then your high. Very awesome. And one of the things I loved when I heard about this is that the attachments are magnetic. So that's cool. Pro tip, guys, I should know this, but your concentrator should be pointed like that. I see a lot of people making the mistake of doing it like this. This is no good. This is how it should be. So I just took a look at the instruction manual. One of the things I noticed is it does not mention anything about ionic function. That's something that I think is very important to have in a hair dryer, to have negative ions. My Babeless Pro that you guys have seen me use before has that function. It's supposed to help with frizz, and you want those negative ions to go into your hair. This one doesn't have it, but it does promise to help with frizzy hair and such. Now that we've unboxed it, you guys have seen it. It's not fun to just look at a hair dryer. It's fun to see it in action, and I think we're gonna go on a little field trip. So stay tuned. Here we go. And we're back. As you can see, we are on a well-rounded field trip. Today, I am at Hair Dynamic in Macedon, New York, getting my hair did by my favorite stylist, Foxy Dudette Christine. You want to say hello?
Hello.
Actually, if you come around here, it'll be a little easier. Yeah. Hi. She's been cutting my hair for a very long time, and no better person to talk about this hair dryer. I can give you my opinions, but you know, we're gonna leave it in the hands of a professional. So let's get my hair dry, and then we'll ask her a couple questions. The hair is did. It has been blow dried. What do you think of the blow dryer?
It's a great blow dryer. Super light, compact, easy for travel. Has a great, I don't know the word, pressure for speed and heat. Definitely not a professional. It's kind of loud, but you know, it's a overall great hair dryer for personal use.
Cool. That's one of the things I noticed too, is that it wasn't a professional one. The cords are usually longer. This one was a little short, but still for great use. What would you pay for it? If you were going to get it, what would you think would be a fair price?
You're asking the wrong person, because I only know prices on professional. I would say $40.
$40? Okay. That's fair. That's fair. Okay. And how long have you been cutting hair, Christine?
I have been here 31 years.
31 years. Very cool.
I was -2 when I started.
-2. Okay.
I'm not over 30.
Oh. Forever 29?
Absolutely.
Okay. But the hair dryer gets the seal of approval?
Okay. 2 thumbs up.
All right. Very cool. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hey guys, we got Foxy Dudette Sarah getting ready to use the new Forte Series Hair Dryer. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, let's try this bad boy out.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
I like how that folds up like that.
That is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, and I like how this is hot but not too hot.
Yeah.
Like, I might burn myself, but not too badly.
All right, we just watched you do your hair. What'd you think of the hair dryer?
Actually, I think it worked really well. It actually dried it pretty quickly, and it was nice because I could like turn that nozzle to make it like more directed. So, and I like how it was compact and not huge and bulky. Oh, it was really lightweight too.
Very
that
cool.
was good, yeah.
Very cool. Would it be something that you consider getting?
I think so. I mean, I use like an all-in-one tool because I didn't think I was coordinated enough to use a hairbrush and a blow dryer at the same time. But I think I did pretty good. So yeah, I think I would.
Very cool. And you're happy with your hair?
Yeah.
I think it looks amazing.
I know.
Very cool. So big thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
No. You've seen my hairstylist, Foxy Dudette Christine, use the hair dryer and give her opinion. You've seen Foxy Dudette Sarah use the hair dryer and give her opinion. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna finally get to use my brand new hair dryer and give you my opinion, okay? So first things first though, we do have to use some argan oil. Forte Series makes an amazing argan oil. I've talked about it before. This is not gonna be a complete blow dryer, hair dryer tutorial. I've already done those. I think I mentioned that earlier in the video, but just in case I haven't, you can see both those videos here. It's part 1 and part 2. But yeah, I always recommend using a little bit of argan oil beforehand because it is a good heat protectant. Argan oil is a very good natural heat protectant. So use a little bit, rub it through the hair. And once it's evenly through the hair, which another good way to do that is to comb it through, but we're in the studio, we're not gonna worry about that today. Again, this isn't a full hair dryer, blow dryer tutorial. Now we're going to, as I go off camera, now we're gonna use the hair dryer. So, wish me luck. My hair is dry. It's not styled like I normally do it. That wasn't the point of this. This was just I had just showered, my hair was wet, and I wanted to see how this would work. And my overall opinion after using it for myself for the first time, I would say this is a good hair dryer, but it's more in line with like a travel hair dryer. This would not replace my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium, or whatever it's called. But it's a good hair dryer. It's something like if a guy, like a lot of guys don't consider buying hair dryers, if you were in the market for one, I would wholeheartedly recommend that you pick this up. It's a good beginner hair dryer, I would say. If you're just starting to get into hair, you don't want to spend a lot of money because you don't appreciate what a quality, an expensive hair dryer would cost, because this is quality. It's not like they're cheaping out on you. It's a quality hair dryer. But if you're looking for something that's going to get you by, but you don't appreciate what a more expensive hair dryer would do, this is perfect for you. A good entry-level blow dryer, good to pack up and take with you and travel with. You know, I can speak from experience. I have gone to hotels or bed and breakfasts, and the hair dryer isn't up to snuff, and then your hair isn't up to snuff, and it can kind of put a damper on your trip. So that's who this is for. Like, this will not replace my daily driver by any means, but when I travel, I'm going to be taking this with me because those hotel hair dryers and B&B hair dryers are usually not up to snuff. It's got cool features like we talked about earlier. You know, the magnetic attachments is great. The ability to fold up is awesome. What's cool too is it's probably gonna get a little noisy, but you guys can appreciate it. I love the blue. I didn't notice this before when I had turned it on. But yeah, I think that's cool. That serves no purpose to the hair dryer. It's just it looks cool. I would say that the noise didn't bother me. It seemed to be a little quieter than my normal hair dryer. It's definitely a lot lighter. That's great. And I mean, it's a travel hair dryer, and I think that's what they were going for when they made this. That's what this is a good travel hair dryer. But yeah, I like the lightweight, the compactness. I will say it seemed to take a little bit longer to dry my hair. Now I have a little bit thicker hair, so you know, take it as you will. If you have thinner hair or less hair than I do, this is probably going to dry your hair a little quicker. But for me, it seemed to take a little bit longer than what I'm used to. But all in all, a decent hair dryer, a very good one. I can recommend it. I put my name on it. I recommend this. Alex, you did a good job, and all the guys at Forte did a good job. Not quite what I was expecting, but still a good job. And it's a great hair dryer. Link will be down in the description. You guys should go pick it up if you're in the market for a hair dryer. And that's all I really got to say about it. That's gonna do it, guys. So please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm, right? Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 will get you 15% off your total purchase on our website. And we got some cool stuff up, and Christmas is right around the corner, guys. Get yourself a Forte hair dryer and a Well-Rounded Dude t-shirt, and you're all good to go. Be sure to check out our podcast. It's available on most of the most popular platforms like Google and Spotify and Apple and Amazon Music and all those. And that's going to do it, guys. So we will see you next time. And once again, be sure to check out the Forte hair dryer. Forte, thanks again for sending it over. And guys, let me know what kind of rating system you would like to see, because we're going to implement one here pretty soon. So take care. Peace.